Okay, well, tomorrow's work will be 3B, page 1, and of course, 3B, 3B, page 2. So I'm going to do a few examples for you because this one's going to be a little different. This one starts with your end time and ends with your start time. So you're actually working backwards. So let me show you how we would do, for example, number 1. First, your end time is what the clock says. The little hand is between the 10 and the 11, so it is 10 because it's not past the 11. And then let's do our minutes. 5, 10, and of course 15. So therefore, the end time is 10:15. And according to this, the duration was 55 minutes. So we were at at a doctor's office for 55 minutes, but we got out of there at 10:15. So what time was our doctor's appointment at? So my number line is going to be worked a little differently. I'm going to start with 10:15, but instead of working forward, I'm going to work backwards. So I'm going to remove 5 minutes, and that would put me 10:15 minus 5, that's 10:10. Okay, then I'm going to do those 10 minutes, and that's already 10 o'clock. Okay, so I've removed 10 and 5, that's 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from over here, and I'm left with 40 minutes that I still have to remove. So in this case, I'm at 10 o'clock. I'm going to do another 10 minutes. And here's the thing, that it's 10 o'clock. If I'm removing 10 minutes, it's no longer 10 o'clock. We're now into 9 o'clock. So for instance, it would be right about 10:15. I would be going this way, 5, 10, 15. So this hand would now be at the 9. And 20, 25, 15, and 10 is 25, right? So it is 9, because it's no longer 10, it's 9:50. So it is 9:50. I remove another 10 minutes, and it is 9:40. And that's already 10, 20, 35. I removed 20. I have 20 more minutes to go. And I'm going to go ahead and do the 20 minutes. Okay, so it's 9:40 minus 20 minutes. It's 9:20. And let me show you. I'm going to remove those 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, because I had done another 10 and then I did another 20. So it is there we go. Sorry, 9:20. So my start time, or my appointment, should have been at 9:20. Let me do another example, because that one I don't think was very clear for you all. So I'm going to go ahead and do number 3, and then I'll do another one with hours. So my end time here supposedly is it's closer to the 5 than it is to the 6, and it's not past the 6, so it has to be 5. And my minutes are 5:10, so it is 5:10. And supposedly the duration was 15 minutes, so I have to remove 15 minutes from my 5:10. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do a a T-chart. It's not really a T-chart, it's just a chart. And I'm going to do start time, hours, minutes, and of course, end time. And again, we're working backwards. We said it was 5:10. Sorry, end time is 5:10. But I'm, 5 5:10, but I'm going to remove, I don't know, 5 minutes. So my new start time, if it's 5:10 and I remove 5, it's 5:05, correct? So I can go ahead and remove another 5 minutes, and my new end time is 5:05. Do you see that? Remember when I worked on my T-chart with the other way? I started on this side and ended on this side. Well, now I'm starting on this side and ending on this side because this is my end time and this is my start time. And I'm removing another 5 minutes. 5:05 minus 5, that brings me to 5 o'clock. Okay, so that's already 5:10, and it tells me that I have to remove 15 minutes. So I have to do another 5 minutes. So it's 5 o'clock, and I'm going to remove 5. Here's where the tricky part, guys, because it's 5 o'clock, but I'm going to take away 5 minutes. That's no longer 5 o'clock. It goes into the 4 o'clock zone. So it would be 4:55. So my new start time is 4:55. And the way you can check your work is 4:55, add 15 minutes. It should give you the 5:10. Okay, so that was the second example. And the third example I'm going to do is going to be one with the hours, which I'll probably do number 6 for you all. The end time is, little hand is in the 1, and the big hand is in the, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. But I'm good there. Okay. Well, it actually isn't at the 1. It's right before the 1. So it's actually 12. And it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it is 12:35. I don't think I'm going to do another one with the T-chart because that to me is a little more confusing than the simple number line. So I'll do the number line. 12:35. And an hour and 10 minutes has gone by. So I need to remove an hour and 10 minutes from 12:35. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the big one, which is the hour. 1 hour. What would be an hour before 12:35? Well, that would be 11:35. I'm going to remind you, you cannot subtract time. Remember, there's only 60 minutes in an hour. So time cannot be subtracted. Okay, I'm at 11:35. That's an hour before 12:35, but it has to be an hour and 10 minutes. So now I'm going to take away 10 minutes. Okay, take away 10 from 11:35, it becomes 11:25. That wasn't too difficult. So my new start time is 11:25. So that's how you do from end time to start time. You're doing the opposite of what we had been doing.